Hi, good morning. I'm Ben Spry, Optimisation Desk Manager here at npower, and welcome to today's market report. Hope you had a great bank holiday weekend, and here are today's headlines. Gas system is roughly balanced as fundamentals remain largely unchanged, and as a result, power and gas prices have opened the morning relatively flat. We've also got Brent oil moving slightly lower on a stronger dollar, and we've also got Greece remaining in focus ahead of its next debt payment. Okay, those are the headlines. If you do require any more information, please do contact us on the email address provided, but for a little bit more information, please continue to listen. Okay, as I mentioned, gas and power prices after the bank holiday weekend just opening rather flat, if not a tad lower. Again, gas system relatively balanced, so forecast to close around about 3 MCM long. Fundamentals largely unchanged since we left them on Friday. Demand for gas relatively high. We're seeing exports to Europe remain pretty robust, around about 41 MCM, so a lot of demand there. However, being helped out by continued robust flows from LNG, so South Hook outputting over 50 MCM at the moment, and with a tanker due today, another one on the 29th, and also one at the weekend. Again, LNG supply looks to be giving the UK gas system that flexibility when needed at the moment. Norwegian flows today relatively flat, maybe a little bit higher. We've seen an outage at a receiving plant in Europe, means that some of those flows are getting diverted to the UK, and we are expecting kind of further a planned outage and Kvitborn as we come to this weekend and into early June. So again, keep an eye on those European gas flows and how it impacts the UK. Moving on to power then, again relatively comfortable in terms of peak margins. Demand for gas for CCGT a little bit lower today, and that's despite load factors for wind remaining pretty poor, so wind output due to be a little bit subdued today, but picking up as we go through this week again, so just giving an additional comfort to our kind of power system. Moving on to the curve then, Brent oil after recent strength, we've seen it dip a little bit lower based on Friday's close, so just dipping below $65 a barrel on a stronger dollar against the euro after some inflation data that we had over the weekend over in the US. And as per the recent couple of weeks, Greece remains in the headlines as doubts over the weekend in the headlines surface around their ability to pay their next instalment and their debt payments again. So as we go through this week, we'll continue to give you updates on that. Okay, so that's it for today. Just the headlines and fundamentals largely unchanged. Gas system slightly long. We're just seeing prices pressured very slightly, but pretty much flat. Okay, have a great Tuesday. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks, bye.